Hello Standard 9th. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter 6. Name of the chapter is Simultaneous Equations. So we start with the introduction part. What is linear equation? An equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b and c all are constant terms and this x and y are variables. So this equation is known as linear equation. Why? Because the power of these variables is 1. That's why it is linear. Okay. Now what are simultaneous equations? When two linear equations are given, one is this, the another one you can write here, dx ey plus f. So you can see both the equations are having same variables x and y. When two equations are given, both are linear and both have the same variables, then these equations are known as simultaneous equations. These constant terms can be differ. Here it can be 4, here it can be 5, that can be differ. But these variables, it remain same. Then this pair is known as simultaneous equation. We have to solve these two equations, means like the simultaneous equations are given in the chapter. You have to solve them. You have to find value of x and y. Now how to find value of x and y? There are three methods. The first method is method of elimination by substitution. Means when two equations are given, we find either of the value of which these variables, any variable, we substitute in second and we calculate. Second one, method of elimination by equating coefficients. Means we will see these coefficients. You can take both x or you can take both y, make them equal by multiplying with the common term, and then you subtract or add them and you can eliminate the equation, equating coefficients. The third one is method of cross multiplication, in which we take the value, these constant terms, and we write x, y, minus 1 below their values, and we do cross multiplication and we get the values. Now in first exercise we will use the method of elimination of substitution to solve the sums. Now we will start our exercise 6a. We start with question number 2. In this one you have to use the method of elimination by substitution method. What is substitution method? Sometimes in class, in school, when any teacher is absent, the other teacher is substituting. No, same we will do here, same type of thing. We will number them first of all. This is equation first, this is equation second. Take any one equation and find value of variable. If you take first, then you can find x or y. If you take second, there also. You take the equation where the variable is not having any constant, if possible. So we will take from equation second 5x plus y is equal to 9. So what will be y? See, y is not having any of the coefficient here, no number. So y is equal to 9. Whichever term is here first, write that term first. Now this term we are transferring that side. So it is in plus. You have to see always the symbol sign of in front one, not this one. Here it is in plus, so it will come in minus. Understood till here? Now this value of y you have to substitute in which equation? Second we have used. From second equation we have calculated y. So this y value you have to substitute in the another equation which is not used till now. So substitute value of y in equation first, this equation. So 2x minus 3, y. What is y? 9 minus 5x equal 7. Now 2x, this minus and this 3 will be multiplied with both the term which are in the bracket. Minus 27 minus minus plus 3 5s are 15x and it is equal to 7. Now 15 plus 2, what will come? 17x. Here it is 7. This term, it is number, so this we have to transfer first that side, plus 27. 17x is, when you add 27 and 7, what you will get? 34. So what is x? What is x here? X is 34 upon 17. Value of x is 2. So one value we have calculated. Now this value you can substitute here, you can substitute in 1, you can substitute in 2. It is your wish. If you keep substitute here, easily you can calculate y. As y is 9 minus 5x. So here we are taking this value of x, what? 2. So y is 9 minus 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10 and y is minus 1. So like this we are able to find out value of both the variables by which method? Elimination by substitution, and this is the solution. Now we will do fifth question. Same as the previous question, here also two equations are given. First of all we number them as 1 and 2. Now it's your wish, you can find x from here. X is 7y plus 7 over 6, that you can substitute here, or from here you find x or y and that you can substitute in first. So I start with equation second. From equation second, 7y minus 8 is equal to x. See here, this minus x go that side, x, 8 will come this side in minus, or you can write x is equal to 7y minus 8. Things are same. This value you have to substitute in 1. Substitute x is equal to 7y minus 8 in equation 1. Here 6 into x. What is x here? 7y minus 8 and 7y plus 7. This 6 will be multiplied with both the terms. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 7y plus 7. Now y terms one side, without y terms another side. 42y minus 7y is equal to 7 plus 48. Now 42 minus 7, you have to subtract it now. What will come? 35. And here 48 and 7, 55. Now what will be the value of y? Y is 55 upon 35. 55 upon 35. Now can you reduce in to the lowest terms? Yes, both with 5. 5 7s are 5 1 and 5 1. So what is the value of y? 11 upon 7. So first value we have calculated. Now this y substitute here or in equation 1 or in equation 2. It's your wish. As x is 7y minus 8. So what will be x here? 7 into 11 upon 7 minus 8. This 7 and 7 get cancelled because they are in product here. So what is x? 11 minus 8 and x is, what will come? 3. And this is the value of second variable and this is the solution. Now we will do question number 8. Two equations are given. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. From equation first, what is in first? It is in decimals. So we remove decimal. If we have one decimal, it means we have to take 10. If two decimals, then we have to take 100. Okay. So 15x over 10. Here 1y over 10. 62 over 10. You can take their LCM. 15x, 1y, 62, because all the three terms, they have the same term below. Okay. Now next step, we leave this LCM. Our equation is 15x plus 1y is 62. And what is y here? 62 minus 15x. This value you have to substitute in equation 2. Substitute. Substitute value of y in equation 2. 3x minus 0.4 into y. 62 minus 15x, 11.2. 3x minus, when you multiply 4 with 62, what you will get? 4 2s are 8, 4 6 are 24, 1 decimal place. So here decimal will come. Now this minus and minus plus, 15 4s are 60, 1 decimal place. So after decimal 0 we cancel. Now 3x plus 6x, what will come? 9x. And here it is 11.2 plus 24.8. 11.2 plus 24.8. What will come? It will come 36.0. So 0 is cancelled. So what is the value of x? 36 over 9. So x is 4. So this is first value. Now this x we have to substitute in equation 1 or 2 or here. It is your wish. As y is 62 minus 15x. So what will be y? 62 minus 15 into 4. 62, 15 4s are 60 and y is 2. Like this, we calculate both the values and this is the solution. Now we will do question number 11. We number them first of all. Equation first and equation second. You take any one equation and find same as values as we have done in previous sums. From equation second, 2x is, this will also go in minus and this will go in plus. That means 3y minus 10. Both the terms we shift that side. So what is x? 3y minus 10 over 2. This 2 here it is in product, it will go in division. Don't cut 2 5s are 10. First this term we have to solve, then only we are able to go for division. No. So don't cut them, don't reduce them in lowest terms like this. This value of x you have to substitute in equation 1. So substitute. Value of x in equation first. 3 into 3y minus 10 over 2 plus 2y is equal to 11. This 3 will be multiplied with both the terms, only numerator. Don't multiply 3 2s are 6. So what will we get? 3 3s are 9, 3 10s are 30 over 2. Okay. Plus 2y is equal to 11 and then take LCM, or this 2y you take that side and then cross multiply. It is up to you. One method is this, you take below 1 and then take LCM. Okay. If you are finding it is tough, then take 2y that side and get cross multiplication. Things are same. What is LCM? 2. So what will come? 9y minus 30. Here 1 2s are 2. Means when nothing is there or no denominator or denominator is 1, that time LCM will get multiplied with numerator. 2 2s are 4y. Here 11 2s are 22. Okay. 9 plus 4, 13y minus 30 is equal to 22. Because we have taken together LCM of both the sides, that's why in next step we leave the LCM. So 13y is 22 plus 30. 13y is, when you add, what you get? 52. And what is y? 52 upon 13. 13 fours are, so value of y is 4. This value of y you have to substitute in equation 1 or 2 or here. It is up to you. So as x is 3y minus 10 over 2. 3 into 4 minus 10 over 2. 3 fours are 12 minus 10 over 2. What will come? 12 minus 10, 2 over 2. 2 is cancelled. So 1. Therefore, value of x is 1. And this is the solution. Now, question number 14th. So first of all, we number them as equation 1 and 2. We take equation first or equation second, it is up to you. From equation second, what is equation second? X over 3 minus y over 12, 19 over 4. What will be the LCM? All three terms together, LCM is 12. I know, I am writing here directly. If you are not able to calculate directly, just do side by and then write here. Okay. So 3 4s are 12, 4 1s are 4x, 12 1s are 12, 1 into y is 1y, 4 3s are 12, 3 19s are 57. Okay. So what is the equation? 4x minus y is 57, or what is y then? 4x minus 57 is equal to y. So we take this value of y and now we substitute in equation first. Substitute value of y in equation 1. So x over 6 plus what is y? 4x minus 57 upon 15 is equal to 4. Now again we have to take LCM. 15 and 6. What will be the LCM? LCM will be 30. 6 5s are 30. 5 get multiplied with x. 15x. 5x sorry. Plus 15 2s are 30. 2 will get multiplied with 4x minus 57. 4x minus 57 is equal to that this 30 will multiply with 4. 5x plus 4 2s are 8x minus 57 2s are multiply. What you get? 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, 11 is 120. Okay. Now 8 and 5 both are positive. What we get? 13x is equal to 120 plus 114. This minus will go in plus 13x is, add them, 4, 3, 1 and 1, 2. So what is x? 234 upon 13. Check out whether this term is divisible by 13 or not. 13 ones are 13, 13 ones are 13, 10 left, 104, 13 eights are 104. So need to learn tables. So value of x is 18. Now this value of x we have to substitute here to calculate y, as y is 4x minus 57. So what is y? 4 into 18 minus 57. 18 fours are 72 minus 57. You have to subtract. 12 minus 7, 5. 6 minus 5, 1. Therefore, value of y is 15. So this is the answer. Now, time to note down the homework. Do remaining sums of exercise 6A on your remaining parts notebook.